How to make private Snapchat story. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to make private Snapchat stories. So guys, if you wanna make your story private and if you wanna share your private to a particular person or one or two person, then this video is for you. So if you like the video, please hit to the subscribe button and let's get started. Let's go to Snapchat, and then after going to Snapchat, let me just click one random picture. Let me just click one random picture here. Okay, I will just click this. Sorry, I'll just click one picture here, and then let me just take one emoji or anything. So today is Tuesday, so I will just keep this. And then guys, what you have to do is just you have to just click on send option here. So just click on send, and guys, you can see here private story option. So guys, what you have to do is just click on private story, and then you have to search for your friend here. So you have to just search for your friend, and then they will give you an option as share your story. So you have to click on your share your story, and then your story will be shared to the particular person. So this is how you can make private Snapchat story. Guys, I'm not showing you the live because I don't have any friend, and this is my new private account, and then the Snapchat is new and I don't have any one friend, so I'm just showing you to fix your problem, so don't mind. Thanks for watching.